To set up a new Zebris for Ceramill system, start by installing the software from the USB card included in the package. To do that, insert the USB card into the PC and copy the complete Zebris for Ceramill folder to the desktop. Afterwards, unplug the USB card and run the .exe file from the desktop folder to start the installation. Follow the setup wizard steps until the installation is completed successfully. Launch the software through the desktop shortcut and proceed with the software activation by typing the license ID written on the USB card. The license can be activated on a maximum of 3 PCs. Select the option Activate by Internet for faster activation and restart the software. At the database, create a new patient by selecting the relevant option. Continue by filling in the patient data. The first 4 fields indicated with a star are always mandatory. Switch to the Measure tab, either from the top menu or the right-hand column, and select the option Hardware Setup. At this point, plug the Zebris device into the PC using the USB adapter cable so that the device is detected. Drag and drop the connected device to the Selected Devices list and click OK. The default dental reference plane of the JMA optic system is the camper plane. To switch to a different reference system, go to Program Settings and choose the Manual option under the Dental tab. With this setting, the Axis Orbital reference plane will now be available as a selectable option in the measurement settings.